Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have permission to control this network. This is local device management, not an attack. Log into your router or management console, find the client list, and note the IP or MAC for the device you will limit. Once done, back up the current configuration so you can restore it later. Make sure firmware is up to date to avoid bugs. With the device identified and your backup saved, proceed to quality of service or bandwidth rules in the next step. Now create a CoS or bandwidth shaping rule that targets the device by IP or MAC and specify concrete limits in kbps or mbps. Pick conservative caps and test. Prioritize essential services, VoIP, work apps, so they remain responsive while the target device gets lower priority. Apply the rule and observe active traffic graphs for 10 to 15 minutes to verify effects. Make incremental adjustments rather than large cuts, and finish by saving configuration and, if applicable, scheduling the limit window for nights or specific hours. If the device still has high throughput, reboot the router to enforce rules, then recheck the client list to ensure the correct IP/MAC was targeted. If traffic bypasses limits, inspect whether the device uses a VPN, alternate DNS, or a static IP that fell outside your rule. Block or adjust those exceptions. One key tip: test with a controlled download to confirm the cap works before concluding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.